Good morning. This is part one to a two-part video series designed to provide tips to home sellers to maximize the amount of money you get for your home in the shortest amount of time with the fewest hassles. So today we're going to talk about the first 6 tips for you. Tip number 1 is to treat the home sale like the business transaction it is and to keep emotions in check as best as possible. Few things can derail or spoil a deal faster than strong emotional responses, so we really want to keep those emotions in check. Tip number 2 is to make it easy for realtors to view your home with their buyers by allowing a vast array of showing times. Restricting showing times may keep buyers away. I know it's difficult if you have young children. Later in the evenings aren't the best for you if you're trying to get the kids to bed, but the fewer restrictions that you have, the better chance that you're going to get a quicker sale on your property. The third tip is that whenever you're leaving your home, assume that a buyer will be coming in to view your property. So whether it's a quick run out for groceries, picking up the kids from school, or maybe just running a few errands, you always want to have your home in tip-top shape. That way when buyers call last minute, they want to view your property, you'll be able to let them in and your home will show very well. The fourth tip is to make yourself available at all times. Quite often we have no idea that offers are coming in on your property, and they always have time-sensitive negotiations attached to the offer. So you want to make sure that you don't put yourself in a position that you miss out on a great offer for your property. The fifth tip is to be generous with the appliances and chattels that you're including with the sale of your property. This provides additional inducement for buyers to make a great offer on your home. And then the sixth and final tip for today is to fix any defects or damages to your property before selling. While it may not always be feasible to upgrade your home or do renovations on your property before selling, it is important to fix the defects. Buyers will walk in, and if they see defects in your home that could have been fixed prior to the selling, they may think that there are additional problems with your property. So it's important to get those things fixed up. So that wraps up the first part of this two-part series. You've got the first 6 tips, and in the next video we're going to provide you with an additional 6 tips to help you with the sale of your home. Thanks a lot and have a great day.